Hello, hello. Welcome to part three of me building my personal brand within one weekend. So, in less than 24 hours, it's actually less than 24 hours. It's exactly 1 a.m. Sunday morning. So, yes, so we've sort of gone through the process of identifying our personas. Well, I've taken you to the process. I had already done that previously. I think that is why time is also going to be short for me to build this entire brand because I had previous information about some of these things that I'm building. So if you haven't gone through step one and step two in my previous videos, it might take longer for you to build the personal brand. But for me, I had this information for part one. I had my ideal client, I had my mission, I had my vision, I had what else did I have? I had built my persona. Uh, I had built my several personas. I have quite a few, four, four or five. Yes, I had my values. I had picked my color palette. I had even generated some images that I want to use in my logo. Yeah, so I am a bit ahead. So you might need a bit of time before you can finish it in less than 24 hours. So you'll need to put more work in. So let's build the logo. So I had generated a few pictures using Leonardo. So I had made the same picture, but the first ones didn't have a crown. It's the same picture, actually, the same prompt. I just added a short variation so that I wanted a crown on that lady. So yeah, I had to add that. My computer is slow today. Yeah, so these are the variations that I had. So I had 4 pictures of this. Yes, so as you can see, I said my brand colors are red and black. That is what I'm sticking with. And red is not even my favorite color. But it's striking, it catches people's eyes, right? Yeah, I went for the dreadlocks because I also have dreadlocks. So that is why that lady has dreadlocks. So yeah, Leonardo gives you some pretty decent pictures for their free version. So the second variation of that same, well, it didn't give the same lady in same poses. She's similar, but now the second lady, she has this crown. So I added this crown. So I'm going to choose between the 4 pictures that have crowns. So that is the first one, right? So I like how her smile is bright and she's just radiant. Uh, I like this one because of the crown. It's sitting on top of her head very nicely. She has accessories. So yeah, I'm liking this one. Her smile is bright. She's maintaining eye contact. Now for this picture, it's nice, but it might be hard. It might be difficult for me to use it in a logo. So it will be a bit challenging. Then for the uh, let's just say that I like this one better, right? I don't know what you guys think, but I'm choosing this because I just like the crown and her smile, and I like the way her face is facing. This is my second pick for the logo, but I'll go with the other one where the crown is kind of illuminated. So the first thing I'll do is remove the background from that image that I've picked. Mhm. So it was this one. Yeah, so remove.bg is a free tool that you can use to remove your backgrounds. I've tested a lot of AI tools. As you know, AI is everywhere and it's helping us in so many things. So yeah, I use a lot of AI in my day-to-day workflow and tasks. So I like to just let it assist me in my day-to-day because it does a good job when you train it well. That is the only trick in AI because, as they say, garbage in, garbage out. So if you put a bad prompt, uh, you get a bad response. So you get a bad output. I don't know why my internet is slow, so we might I might go on a rant as we wait for it to load. I live close to the beach, so when it is windy, it kind of affects the net. So let's try on a different Chrome profile. Yeah, so it's actually just the internet that is slow. But yes, yes. Okay, so let's upload the photo. So my logo is going to be a simple one. So it won't take me a lot of time to make it. You can design a logo to be the complex type of logos with all the fancy text and fancy images, but I think I just want mine to be a simple, easy to remember logo that can just be seen from everywhere. That is what I'm thinking. Like, that is what I want. So wait a minute. I was almost disappointed that the entire picture went away as a logo. So as you can see, that is it. Yeah, it's actually a perfect. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. So let's head to Canva. So I'm using the free version of Canva. That's why I've changed my Chrome profile because the other Chrome profile has a pro version and this one has a free version. So I want to use the free version to create this logo. And as I said, I'm going for this simple design. But there are so many ways you can create a logo. You can go all fancy and use Illustrator. You can go all fancy and use all these tools to create your logo. But I just want to use Canva, which is beginner friendly, and anyone can has access to the free version of Canva. Canva even has templates, so you don't have to think of how you want your logo. You might not be design savvy, so you might be like, I don't even know how to design my logo. I don't know what I want it to be. So you can just browse Canva's templates and see what they have. Okay, so once you are in Canva, you can just go to search logo. Guys, my internet is slow, but I want to finish this in one weekend, so I'm sticking with it. I'm not giving up. My neurodivergent brain is telling me to leave it, but yeah, yes. So I've made a few logos, some mine, some not mine. Yeah. And sometimes I join these courses that tell you have to create a logo. So I always run to Canva and create one. So these are the templates that you can see. There are different variations, simple ones. You'll get the you can scroll down and see like this Daniel Galego. It has some fancy text. We have this Hannah Morales, but that is when you see that crown on Canva, you know that is premium. Anything that doesn't have a crown or this pro is not premium. So this is not premium. So this is not premium. This is premium. This is pro. These are for, so you have to pay to use that or subscribe to that 1 month trial. So if you really need it, you can subscribe to the 1 month trial. This is free. So I'll just be creating my own. I'll start with a blank. Yes, so I want to do this. I want to create that logo in less than 5 minutes because I don't want this video to be okay. So I had to pause the video because, like I said, I don't want this video to be past 15 minutes. So I've uploaded that picture that we removed the background. So the first thing is I'll put it on my canvas and just play around with it. So let's see if it fills the entire space. I wouldn't have a place to write my name. Okay, let's center it. Center. And then just move it up a bit. There. Good. Then we go to text. I just want to add my name to this photo, right? So instead of going for so they also have this fancy text templates if you want, or you can just, if you have a font that you want to use, you can download Google font, then upload it here. So there's so many ways you can go about this, but there's always a nice template that I like, that I want to write my name in. I'm just scrolling so that you see the different kind. You can also pick a template that has two fonts, then delete one of the fonts if you only like one. So for example, something like this, seasonal exclusives. Maybe you just like the exclusive parts. You don't like how seasonal looks. So you can use that. Just place it on your canvas and group it. This is the problem with overlays. And group it, then delete the seasonal, and then just use exclusive. So you can do that, but so it will just have my names. This is a personal brand, so unless it is, you're going to, like, it's your brand is not you, but you have a company, that is also the same thing. This is just, I'm just saying personal brand because I'm creating a brand for myself. Okay, you see these personalities that they themselves are the service. That is what I'm doing, right? So there we have it. I don't know, I want my name to be behind the somehow behind the crown, but not behind the crown. I don't know, I'm just not feeling the vibe of it being on top of the crown. So let's send it back. Yes, so that is better. Yeah, I like it like that. So that is my logo. You can just go ahead and create a logo that you want. So this is what I pictured mine to be. Simple, straight to the point, just my name, a lady with a crown. Ta-da! You're done. So we'll be moving on to creating a portfolio website in the next series, in the next part. So bye-bye. See you. I hope you come back with a logo. I almost forgot one thing, and that is to change the color of the text. Remember, my brand color is red, so I can't have purple.